The caliper pins on a floating caliper system enable the caliper to move back and forth to apply even pressure on both sides of the rotor. If one of the slide pins lock, it can cock the caliper, causing uneven wear on the brake pad, so proper lubrication is critical. Carefully inspect the pins and pin boots for damage or excessive wear. If they are in good shape, clean them thoroughly. And apply lithium grease to the pin. Use Toyota lithium soap-based glycol grease. Do not lubricate the tabs or pad brackets unless it is specified in a technical service bulletin.